How to add phone number to Microsoft account. So if you want to add phone number to your Microsoft account, then what you need to do is you simply open up your browser. Once you open your browser, now you need to go with the search and search for Microsoft. Once you've searched, you will have www.microsoft.com. Click on it, and it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply go and sign into your account. Go with sign in, which will be on the upper right, and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and then go with my Microsoft account. And here it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with your info, which will be on the left side. Go with your info, and under your info, you just need to simply scroll down and you will have account info, right? So under account info here, you can see that I don't have any phone number on my account info. So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with edit account info, or you can go with add a recovery phone number, which will be on the upper right, from where you will be able to add your phone number. So click on add phone number, and you just need to simply go with add now, which will be on the bottom right. And after that, you need to simply sign into your account. And after that, you will get this kind of interface from where you'll be able to add your phone number. So you just need to simply go with the code, country code. Once you choose a country code, you can enter your mobile number or your phone number and go with next, and you will receive a code to the mobile number. So you just need to simply enter that code. Once you enter that code, your mobile number or phone number will be added to your Microsoft account. So in this way, you'll be able to add your number to your Microsoft account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.